Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily print a Zillow listing. So first head over to zillow.com and in the search bar, search for an address, neighborhood, city, or zip code to browse a specific listing. Or if you scroll down, you can see here suggested listings that you can check out. So say for example, we're going to browse the Valley Stream in New York. Now browse for a specific listing that you may be interested, then click on it. And now if you're using a desktop or PC, you can just head over and press Ctrl plus P and this printing window will pop up. Just choose the destination. You can also save this as a PDF file. Select number of pages, the layout if you want it to be printed in portrait or landscape. And you can also modify more settings such as paper size, pages per sheet, margin, scale, and other options. Then once done, you can just head over and click on the save button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!